Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add more notes to your Bible when you're running out of space in it. And I'm going to be using my new Spiral Bible. If you guys missed the unboxing of that video, I will leave the link to that video in the description below for you guys to watch. Now, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I like to do is when I'm looking up words or when I can make little notes in between the spaces, I take advantage of those little spaces and I write small notes, as you can see, in between. So be sure to take advantage of that extra space. Now, as you can see, I've written lots of notes in the margins, but when I want to add extra notes in, I use these sticky notes. So I'll go ahead, write the extra notes on my sticky notes, and then I will put that all over the page. And this works so great, you guys, because you can move the sticky notes around. You can take them off if you need to go back to, reading or back over, the passage, back over your notes. You can easily, take them off, put them back on. It doesn't do anything to your page. So sticky notes, you guys, are so great. And you'll see here that I love to add lots of notes. These sticky notes are kind of transparent, but you don't have to, get the transparent kind. You can get the normal sticky notes. So another thing that you can do is write it on index cards, your notes on index cards, and use washi tape to attach the index card to your page. So I do strongly recommend that you do this with washi tape because, you guys, it's easy to remove, just like a post-it note. Also, just like a post-it note, you can add as many of these to your page as you want. If you don't have index cards, you can also use, sheets of paper, pieces of paper, something like that. That would work great as well. Now, the fourth and final way is to create a pocket using a piece of paper, a piece of construction paper, anything you have that you can create a pocket with. We're going to use washi tape again to tape down the borders like so. And then we've created a little pocket. And in this pocket, you guys, you will be able to put not one index card, but multiple index cards, as you can see here. Multiple index cards or sheets of paper, whatever it is that you're using. And you can easily slide that in, and you have lots and lots and lots of notes that you can add into that. The great thing about sheets of paper or index cards is that you can also use the back side. So if you're a really heavy note taker, then this will be a great way to add more notes to your Bible. And again, we're using washi tape, so as you can see, you can easily remove that. Well, you guys, this video was a short one, but I hope you found these helpful so that you can add more notes to your Bible. And let me know in the comments below which of these methods you're going to be using to add more notes to your Bible. Don't go anywhere because I have a really special announcement for you guys, something that I've been wanting to share with you guys for a while. I have had the desire to expand over to Facebook, and I now have opened a Facebook group where we can get together, connect, we can do Bible journaling together, I can share my principles with you guys, and we can just have a good time in the Lord. I'm super excited about this. I hope that you guys will join me on my Facebook group. I will be sure to leave in the description below a link to the group where you guys can join. And here I'll leave also on my community tab here on YouTube a picture of the schedule of everything that we're going to be doing in the group coming up, so that you guys don't miss a thing. I'm super excited about this, you guys. I hope that you guys will join me. God is doing great big things, so like I said, I hope you guys will join me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.